Okay, this is English version of my review of JFenzi perfumes. Look at this. Company Lavandin sent me JFenzi testers and the strips, paper strips. What do we have here? Wait, I can't focus this. What? No nie mogę tego złapać. Może teraz? Muszę zasłonić tamto. O macie. Listen, this is not prepared video, so I will speak like I usually speak in English, so very bad. But you know, if you're looking for cheap alternatives for quite expensive perfumes, JFenzi made very good dupes. It seems funny, but I don't know how to speak this. Alternative, maybe. I know this is right like D-U-P-E. Probably a lot of students will have fun from my video in English, but this is for people who watch from Europe, maybe Great Britain. Let's start from this one. This one, like you see, is Chanel Bleu de Chanel Eau de Toilette, and this is quite good alternative, like 19% close to original, less citrus, more wood. Maybe it's something like Eau de Parfum Bleu de Chanel, but still very good. And lasts very long. Incoming for Men. This is alternative for Calvin Klein Eternity. Calvin Klein Encounter Men. You can feel here rum and some woodsy notes. It's not great alternative, but it's still good. This one, I don't know what it is, but it is for women. Only perfume for women, sent to me by mistake, but you can feel here hyacinth, this flower. Very nice perfume for women. This one, Savior the King, is an alternative for Versace Eros. And it is great alternative. You can feel apple and mint, quite almost 95% similarity. This one is not great. This one should be Tom Ford alternative for Black Orchid probably, or Tobacco Vanille. I didn't check. You can feel this low quality of ingredients. Maybe it isn't worth money. Don't buy it. Very bad. Ardagio Aqua. You need to know this has probably natural lemon, and it is like 90% similarity. It's quite probably the best dupe of Armani Acqua di Gio. Worth to buy. Insanity JFenzi. I have talked with my friend and I said JFenzi probably fill this with original original Calvin Klein Eternity, because it is like 95-100% similarity. worth to buy, very good. Aura Homme, this is alternative for Dior Homme Intense. It is quite good alternative, but not great. I had Maison Alhambra. It was similar to this one, but Maison Alhambra costs 150 zł. It means $30. This one costs max $10. Very good for the price. This Men Legend is a Hugo Boss bottle alternative, and it is quite good alternative. Like still 90% similarity, worth to buy. My Soul is JFenzi alternative for Yves Saint Laurent. Myself. Is it worth? Is it worth? If you like cozy, sweet fragrance, you should buy this because it is like 80% similarity. JFenzi Deso Goldman. This is alternative for Hugo Boss Descent, and it is quite close, like 90%. This one, Business City. It is alternative for Givenchy Society, but you can feel this quite similar to couple of the Givenchy scents, like Givenchy Eau de Parfum, Givenchy Gentleman Réserve Privée, Réserve Boise, Society, and Society Extreme. You can feel this. It is worth to buy. A very good quality. L'Echelle Assun Sport Homme. As you can see, this is alternative for Chanel Allure Homme Sport. And this is better than Versace Pour Homme. Because Versace Pour Homme is more flowery. This one is more citrusy, sporty vanilla, and woodsy notes. Okay, Savior the King. Blue Devil, like you see. This is alternative for Versace Dylan Blue, and very good alternative for Versace Dylan Blue. Like 95% similarity. This one is alternative for Paco Rabanne Phantom. Don't buy it. It is a very bad alternative. You can't feel any of the original notes. You can feel lavandin, lemon, and what was that? Lavandin and ground scents, earthy scents. You can't feel this. This is shit. Okay, this one, Man of the Night, is a very good alternative for Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme. Yes, it's, I think, current version of Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme should be utilized to trash because it sucks. This one is better than original. Really. Moonwater, it's alternative for Davidoff Cool Water. Very good alternative. Like 95%, maybe less earthy notes because original has some quite earthy notes. You can feel this in here. JFenzi Lastor is alternative for Lacoste. Lacoste Essential, probably. You can feel rose, tomato leaf flower, tomato leaf, not flower, tomato leaf. And another, I can't remember, and I can't feel anything, but it is very, I can't feel any of the other notes, but it's very good alternative for Lacoste. Yes. This one I didn't test here because I tested it before, but it is very good alternative for Armani Eau-de-Nuit. You can feel this here, iris, oris in English. Very good alternative, like 90% similarity. This one is vintage JFenzi. It is alternative for Dior Sauvage. Very good alternative, but it is like 70% similarity. Still worth to buy. This one, don't buy this. This one is very bad. It should be dupe of 212 New York City Carolina Herrera, but it's not. Maybe in the end phase, but I didn't like it. Better is better is this one. I have this. Okay, this one, Lavandin.pl. It's better alternative, but it's quite expensive. No name JFenzi. It's alternative for Yves Saint Laurent Y. Very good alternative, like 80% similarity. This one is Hermes H24, similar, but it's not quite similar. You can't feel here Narcissus, you can't feel here woodsy notes. It's good, but it's like 40% similarity to original. From this all fragrance which I test, you can see quite a lot scents that I told you to buy because it's worth. Bleu de Chanel, Eros, Eternity, Myself, Allure Homme Sport, La Nuit de l'Homme, Y, Savage, Davidoff Cool Water, Versace Dylan Blue, Hugo Boss Descent, Dior Homme Intense. Don't buy. Don't buy this one. I don't like. It's good, but I don't like room and woodsy notes. If you like room and woodsy notes, you should buy this. Very good for woman. Very high quality hyacinth. Armani, Acqua di Gio, great. Dessau, Hugo Boss bottle, very good. Society Givenchy, nice. Don't buy, shitty content. Essence, yes, Essential Lacoste. It's worth to buy. Quite a lot of fragrance you should buy, I know, but they don't cost over $10. You can buy them in Poland like probably for $7, 100 milliliters. If you have problem to buy, maybe comment down below. I will try to connect you and I will give you a company address which will send you to Europe or maybe to Great Britain. But remember, they take probably all the national podatki. I don't know how to say this. Tax. they will put tax on you, and it won't cost you like $7, but maybe $12 or maybe more. Wait, $1 is 4 zloty right now. So you need to buy a current price of the 100 milliliters of JFenzi is like $8.50, maybe max $9. So after the tax and other shipping cost, you will probably pay $15. Is it worth? I don't know, but still they are great alternative for original fragrance. Please leave the comment. Sorry for my English. I didn't prepare this. I tried to talk with my heart. It's the not great joke because I don't do jokes in English. You know what I mean. Thanks for watching and have a good night. Bye.